Hi, today I will show you how to use Grayscale effect in Inkscape. It is a really helpful function. For example, if you want to create a historical album, then maybe you will need images in Grayscale. So, for example, I have here this image and I would like to apply here Grayscale effect. So, first you need to do is click on the left upper corner on Selector tool. After that, you click on your image. And now we need to go to Filters. And here you will find a lot of really important settings, but we are interested in to go to color because this effect is connected with a color. So we will need to choose here Grayscale. So I click on this option and you will see these settings. Of course, you can change these values, but I don't recommend to do it because this effect with default settings is very good in my opinion. Okay, so now I click Apply. And like you see, our Grayscale effect has been successfully implemented. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to apply Grayscale effect in your image in Inkscape, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it supports my work, and thanks you for watching.